Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Gaming Mundo. This is really just kind of a intro, so to speak. You see the stuff behind me? That's for my next computer build. That video is coming very soon, possibly tomorrow. I'm gonna film tomorrow. I did the intro already, but we'll be getting to building it tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys, because it's going to be awesome stuff. There's going to be a Ryzen 5 3600X, Radeon RX 5700 XT. You see that Asus Tough Gaming X570 motherboard, 32 gigs of RAM at 3600, and M2 500 gigabyte SD. So I also got a couple other things. It's my kids in the background playing on their Switch. But yeah, I got a couple other things like keyboard, the speakers, obviously gaming mouse, and some other things. Anyways, guys, be sure to check it out because it's coming soon. Don't miss that. It's going to be a fantastic build. And then we'll be able to also try it out and play some games on it. So anyways, guys, you have fun. Stay tuned to see what Mundo is up to with this next PC build, all right? And I'll show you a quick look at some of these pieces here. That's the stuff right there. So that's what the keyboard looks like. It's out the box now. I got that. Got some of these things. There's my... All right, and there it is. You can see that 3600X. I got the Ripjaw series. No, that's upside down. All right, I got 3600 DDR4. Look at that. There you go. This is our case. I didn't go with anything fancy. Power supply, nothing fancy, just some speakers. But yeah, anyways, guys, be sure to check out the video. All right, guys, it'll be coming soon too.